Hello everyone, welcome to Maths class. Children, today we will start with chapter number 2, addition, subtraction and their application. In this session, we'll start with addition of larger number. Now, student, in your previous class, you have already learned how to add and subtract number with regroup. Now, let us learn to use this operation with bigger number. Now, addition of large number is done in the same way as addition of smaller number. What? Addition of large number is done in the same way as addition of smaller numbers. Now how we do? First we start adding from the ones column on the right. Then we carry over if it is there, regroup wherever required as we move towards higher place value on the left. There are some rules. There are 3 rules here. First one, when we add 0 to a number, the value of the number does not change. Let us see example. 64,789. In this we add 0. So the answer remains itself. So by adding 0 to any number, the value of the number does not change. It remains same. Let us see another example. Now see here. 23,145 when added to 0. So answers remain same, which is 23,145. Let us see another rule. When we add 1 to a number, the answer is the next number. When we add 1 to a number, the answer is the next number. Let us see example. 23,456 is added to 1. So answer is 23,457, which is immediately the next number. Let us see another one. 3,761. When added to 1, we get 3,762. Let us see third one. If we change the order of a number to be added, the answers remains the same. Though the order we changed, the answer remains same. It is only for addition. For example, now look here, 45 plus 2,678. Now here we are going to change the order. 2,678 plus 45. Though here the order is changed, the answer will remain same. Second one, 45,420 plus 2,678. We can write as 2,678 plus 45,420. Here we have changed the order, but answer will remain same. Now, children, take out your notebook and let's start with exercise 2.1. Now, the first one, look here, what is given? 5 plus 8 and 8 plus dash here. Now here we had to apply the 3 rules. Now what is given here? 5 plus 8 is equal to, now here is given 8 plus dash, means students here what we can apply here? By changing the order, the answer remains same. So 5 plus 8 will become here 8 plus 5. 35 plus 3, 3 plus 35. The next one is 0 plus 145. Now here what rule we are going to use? That when we add 0 to a number, the value of the number does not change. So 0 plus 145 will remain the number itself. It will not change. So your answer is 141. Next, 2,331 plus 0. Now here 0 is added to number. So what is our answer? According to rule, what we say? The value of the number does not change. So what will be the answer? Yes, come on student, what will be the answer? So answer will be the value of the number itself. So your answer is 2,331. let's come to question number 2. Now in this, student, look here. First is given 13 plus 5 plus 7. Now these three numbers we are supposed to add. Now 13 plus 5. What is 13 plus 5? 18. And 18 plus 7. Now see here, what you are going to do? You are going to count 18 plus 7. So what is the answer, student, here? 25. Yes. In a simple way also you can do, student, here. See here. Here is 13 and here is 7. If you see, 13 plus 7 become 20 and 20 plus 5 will become your 25. Now come to the next one. Here is 16 plus 1 plus 4. Now see, can we make it simple? You know that 6 plus 4 become 10. So 16 plus 4 will become your 20. That means 16 plus 4 become 20 and 20 plus 1 will become, what will become? 21. Yes. Come on, student, just try to do the next one. 18 plus 9 plus 2. Think something so that it can become like 10, 20, 30, 40. Now which number can we add so that it will be the table of 10? Can you think, students? See here. Here is 18 and here is 2. If we add 18 plus 2, what you will get? 20. And 20 plus 9 will become? Now this is easy to calculate. So your answer is 29. Come on, student. Just think of next one. 25 plus 2 plus 5. Yes, see, look here. 25 and here is 5. 25 plus 5 become 30 and 30 plus 2 will become here 32. Okay, students, do you understood this, how to solve by using the three rules? Okay, now let us start question number 3. Question number 3. Okay, now student, here this is already given to you. It is arranged in a vertical form. Just you are supposed to add. Come on, student, just add. What is 8 plus 1? We start from right and we go to move towards the higher place value on the left. Like this way we are going to add. So what is here 8 plus 1? Come on, student, just write down this answer. 8 plus 1. 6 plus 2. 8 plus 1 become 9. 6 plus 2. 8. 5 plus 3. 8. 4 plus 3. 7. 5 plus 4. 9. And 6 plus 3. 9. So your answer is 9, 9, 7, 8, 8, 9. Okay, student, you got the same answer? Come on, let's do fourth one. Student, you will do by your own. Come on, just write down and solve this sum. Okay, written here 7 plus 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Come to the next one. 8 plus 0. 8. 5 plus 2. 7. 4 plus 3. 7. 4 plus 2. 6. And 9 plus 6. 15. Just check your answer. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 5, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. And 9 plus 6, 13. Come on, students, do the fifth one. Write down the question, write down the answer, and afterward you will check your answer. Written. What is the answer? 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2? 7. 8 plus 1? 9. 3 plus 2? 5. 9 plus 0? 9. 3 plus 4, you can do a 4 plus 3. First we will take bigger number and then smaller number 4, and in 4 we will add 3. Now here big number is 5, so we will take 5 plus 3. Check your answer. See here, 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. 9 plus 0, 9. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. Yes. Let's start with sixth one. Come on student, write down the question and just find out the answer. Yes, written. What is 9 plus 0? 9 plus 0 is 9. 5 plus 4? 5 plus 4? Yes, 9. 6 plus 3? What is the answer of 6 plus 3? 9. What is the answer of 8 plus 2? 8 plus 2 is 10. Now student, how we are going to write down here 10? 10. We'll write down here 0 and we'll give one carry to the next place. 4 plus 3, 7. And 7 plus 1 which you have given carry will become 8. And 6 plus 2 will become 8. So your answer is 9 plus 0, 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 8 plus 2, 10. So here how we have written 0 here and 1, 10, 1 we have given carry over to the next place. So 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And 6 plus 2, 8. Yes, come on, very good. Come on, let's do next one. Seventh one. Come on, write down this question and find out the answer. Yes, got the answer. Yes, 6 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, 9. 8 plus 1. Immediately the next number which is 9. 6 plus 3 become 9. 4 plus 4, 8. And 5 plus 7, 12. Yes, come on, just check answer whether you have written correct. Come to the next one. Next one is eighth one. Come on student. Come on, write down 5 plus 4. 9. 3 plus 3. 6. 4 plus 2. 6. 9 plus 0. 9. 7 plus 3. From 7 add 3. 7. 8, 9, 10. 10 will write down here 0 and 1 will come here. And 8 plus 6. 14. 14 plus 1. 15. So your answer is your 15. This 0, 9, 6, 6, 9. Got correct answer? Come on. Let's start with ninth one. What is given here? 5 plus 3 plus 0. So what is here 5 plus 3? 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. So you'll write down here 8. 5 plus 8 plus 9. Come on student, do the addition of this. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 9, 21. So 1 will be here and 2 will be carry over here. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 2 and carry over here 2. So what is the answer? 19. 9 will be here, 1 carry over here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 9. And 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So this is your answer. Come on, let's do 10th one. Write down the question and just find out the answer. Do here 3 plus 2 plus 0 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. So 1 will be here and 2 will be carry over here. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. And 19 plus 1 will become here 20. 2 here, carry over, and 0 here. 2 will be carry over here and 0 you will write down here. Now 4 plus 3, 7. And you get 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1 will become here 15. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 1, 4. And 1, 5. Got the correct answer? Yes. Let's do 11th one. Now student, here now you are supposed to add 6 plus 5 plus 4. Make it little simple calculation, student. See here, 6 plus 4 become 10 and 10 plus 5 will become here 15. Again here, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And 8 plus 1 carry over will become here 9. If you see here, 8 plus 2. Now see here, 8 plus 2 will become here 10. And 10 plus 9 will become 19. And 1 carry over, just add here. If you see here, 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is again 10. And 10 plus 9 will become 19. Student, you should think about table of 10. Now if you see the next one, see here, 5 plus 5 become 10. And then we can add plus 6 directly, 16. Come on, do it this fast. Come on children, you have done. Now let's check the answer. See here, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Now 5 plus 2, 7. Plus 1, 8. Plus 1, 9. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 1, 19. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 and 10 become here 20. 5 plus 5, 10. 16. 16 plus 2 become 18. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 carry over become 9. 3, 4. And this is become here 6. Come on, let's do 12th one. Yes, come on student, just copy down the question and do it fast. Yes, come on. Done. What is here? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. And 9 plus 4, 13. Carry over 1 here. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1 carry over becomes 16. 1 here carry and 6 here. 6 plus 4 become 10. 10 plus 5, 15. And 1 carry over will become here 1. And here 6, 16. Now 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 1 and here 2. And this 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus this 1 will become here 14. 1, 4 here. 4 plus 2, 6. Plus 2, 8. Plus 1 carry over will become 9. So your answer is here 9. This become 13. 13. This addition will become here 16. Here this addition will become here 16. This will become here 12. So 1 carry over, 2 here, 14, and finally answer 9. Now let's start with question number 13. Now student, here the question is, the numbers are given in a horizontal way. Now what we'll do, we'll write down this number in a vertical form according to place value and then we will add it. So we have written this way. See here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, and we have written each number 4968. See, 4968, 62,941, 62,941, 1,32,496, 1,32,496, and 9,836, 9,836. Now what we'll do, we'll add this from ones column, we'll add from this ones column on the right, and then we will move toward higher place value on the left. So first what we will do, 8 plus 1 plus 6 plus 6, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6, how much student? 15, 15 plus 6, 21. So we'll write down 1 here and we'll carry over here 2. Then similarly we'll add 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 3, 22, 22 plus 1 will become here 23. Come on student, do ahead. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 8, 30, and 1 carry over. Just do the remaining. Come on, got the answer? So your answer is 2,10,231. Come on, let's do 14th one. Come on student, write down this number first in horizontal way, arrange it in column, arrange it in vertical form according to place value, and then add. So just check whether you have written properly. Yes, here ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So we have written 43,921, 43,921, 6,943, 6,943. This is 9 lakh. This is 9 lakh. Then 62,000, 62,000, 136, 136. Then next is 48,000. This is 48,000. Then 034, 034. Come on, write in a one by one from ones column and move toward higher place value on the left side. So 6 plus 4 become 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 1 become 14. Come on student, add completely. Check your answer. You can see here, this is 4, which we got 14 here. Then after adding this we got 13, 1 carry over here, 3 written here, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 1, 19 plus 1 become 20. Then 3 plus 6 become 9, plus 2 11, 11 plus 8 19, 19 plus 2 21, 4 plus 6 10, plus 4 14, 14 plus 2 16, and 9 plus 1 become here 10. Come on student, this is the last one, you do by your own. This you have written in horizontal form. Now you write down in vertical form according to place value. Just check. Okay, we have arranged it properly. See here, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh. Yes, we have arranged it properly. Come on, add this. Now check your answer. Okay, so you got here 73 lakh 23,305. Okay student, here we have completed our addition of large number. I hope you have understood it very well, and in the next session we'll start with subtraction on large number.